Kani kediga batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kini kediga jingperpena yau status jong COVID-19 hapoh ka state Meghalaya ke jungi, mendakasni ke bangi yo iki positive cases kilong arpu prangut. Arpuai na po is Khasi Hills, iway na po San na po Ribhoy, but R na po West Jante Hills District. Tikabang idon ki active cases adu menta po ka state kilong Drews pa Laifulai, ki break up kilong gumni is Khasi Hills, kita Sanspa Khatpra, nega Sanspa Khatpra BSF kilong Arspa Arpunriu. Ki others, ki civilian kilong Aspa Laifulai, but ki armed forces kilong Sanpo Kendai. The Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills kalong San, Southwest Khasi Hills kalong Zero, Ribhoy District kalong Sanpusan, West Jante Hills District kalong Khatnriu, East Jante Hills District kalong Khatnyo, West Garo Hills District kalong Khatnriu, Southwest Garo Hills District kalong Sao, South Garo Hills District R, East Garo Hills District Umdani A, North Garo Hills District Umdani A. Tege total ke bar recover hadu benda sengi kilong Arspa and Repusau. Ketiga latest update jong COVID-19 Hapoh Meghalaya ini.
So, do you have any question on this, or we will?
Toh, yo benda sini kilong gumne yang ladap ong yupi barok kilong arpu pra, karena ki kontak jong negrims kilong arngut, nang taki returnees kilong arngut, iway di patient has civil hospital Shillong, iway di high risk contact lab technician jong civil hospital, nang arngut kini ki armed forces berkalangut BSF, kini kidei ki kebanga ngi bagyo mendasi arpu prangut. Dia napa Ribhoy sangut kidi armed forces, the West Jante Hills arngut kidi returnees. This is the break up of the today positive cases in the state of Meghalaya. So we have total 28 East Khasi Hills for 2 from negative contact, 2 are returnees, 1 patient at civil hospital Shillong, 1 high-risk contact of lab technicians at Civil Hospital Shillong, 2 armed forces, 13 BSF, Ribhoy 5 all armed forces, West Jante Hills District 2 are returnees. Ki sampel kiba lafa ban test hadu mendagasni kilong Laifu Prahajar Sanspa Kandai Punriu. Tiga bala dep test negatif hadu mendagasni kilong Laifu Hajar Sao. Kebangidang apa dia yang resort hadu mendagasni yaki test borok kalong Druspa Kandai Fo. So the sample for testing which is already sent total till today they are 38,596. Those who have tested negative till today there are 37,004, and we are waiting for the result report. Till today there are 690. And the outsider, the entrants who are coming to state of Meghalaya, those are people from outside the state. Those are coming to our state till today. There are 24,925. Kini ki bawa na syabar jong state Meghalaya hadu mendagasi ki balapoi kilong Arsa Hajar Kendai Spa Arpausan.